All right, number 7, it really comes down to just, are you good at factoring trinomials? So I'm going to go and do all the scratch work over here. What multiplies to give you 16 and combines to give you 17? That would be 1 and 16. So x plus 1 and x plus 16. Now divide both by 2. I'm doing the numerator of the first fraction. I'm going to push the 2 up now, so I have 2x plus 1, and this reduces to 8, and x plus 8. In the bottom, I have 30 times x. So I've taken care of the first fraction. Now I have a multiplying sign. What can I factor out of these two terms? A 10x, and I'm left with x plus 5. On the bottom, what multiplies to give you negative 24 and combines to give you 5? X plus 8 and x subtract 3. Because there's a 1 as a leading coefficient, I don't have to divide. Okay, so now I need to do excluded values. One is, okay, one of the answers.
I need it from Maury.
Okay. One answer is x cannot equal 3. Then x cannot equal negative 8. And if you just have a term here, sorry, if you just have a number here, a number by itself, a constant, is not going to result in excluded value. But what's the only number I can plug in for x? And this portion is now 0. 0. Here are my three excluded values: 3, negative 8, and 0. Okay? Here we go. So I'm going to go cancel. I have an x plus 8 and an x plus 8. I don't have an x minus 3. Here's an x and an x. And then 10 and 30. 10 goes into itself once. 10 goes into 33 times. Remember, when you cancel something, it's not just magically disappearing. It's really turning into a 1. So this is really 1 times 1 times 1 here. On top, you're left with 2x plus 1 and x plus 5. On the bottom, we have 3 and x minus 3.